Hello and welcome. I'm just gonna make a short video. I thought I would make a new video because I have found one of my old pans that I wanna reuse. I haven't used it for a while, and well, for a brief moment, I actually used it quite a while to just make tiny French omelets. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I thought I wanted to show you. Uh, a lot of people don't realize that when you cook eggs on a carbon steel pan, it's not only about a good seasoning, it's also about the right heat. So if you put too much heat on it, it will stick, especially if the eggs are cold. It actually varies from countries whether people put eggs in the refrigerator or not. I know in some countries they don't. So yeah, I put this on almost the lowest heat, just a tiny notch over the lowest heat. And you can see it's not that hot, but enough for the butter to sizzle a little bit. And I'm gonna use this tiny spatula. So, okay. So I'm not quite sure if the heat is quite enough actually. Oh, I'm making potatoes over here as well, so I'm multitasking. I'll just turn it up a little bit. Alright. So this is one egg omelette, which is fairly suitable for this tiny pan. So let's see how that works out. Yeah. I should have turned on the heat a little bit higher, but that's how it is now. Sorry. Right. I don't want to fry it too much, or it's just gonna be too burnt. I want it wet and fluffy at the same time. That's why I'm trying not to chop it off too much. So what you see over here is rye bread, which is a very common thing here in Denmark. We do have white bread as well, but we like this. It's full of seeds, and just one piece like this will have you going for a few hours without getting hungry again. So it's some heavy duty stuff, and yeah. So you see, this is pretty much an omelette. Looks good, not too burnt. Maybe a little bit tiny for my pan, and I'm just gonna scrape off the worst of it. So that's it. What you see, what's left on the pan is just a few stuff that you can easily remove, and I would usually just rinse it under hot water and just, well, actually, let me do that. Just hold on. So what I'm doing now is to turn on the hot water, making sure it's hot so it won't shock the pan too much. It's pretty good to do it straight away. Now I'm just rinsing it without using any cloth or anything, just letting it run under the water so it looks like this, and then I'll just wipe it off just with a small tissue. There you go. Pan is back and it's ready for use. A French omelette on a small pan.